Hi, welcome back. I'm Heather. Today we're in the kitchen with my daughters again, and we're going to be showing you how to make a family favorite breakfast item, which is called a Dutch baby. The girls, especially this one, absolutely love this. And just about every night when she's going to sleep, she asks for Dutch baby the next morning. So clearly we can't make it that often, but it is made pretty often around here in our house. And we also love it because any leftovers heat up really well in the microwave for just a few seconds. And so it frees me up on a busy weekday morning that I don't have to make a full breakfast yet again. All right, let's get started. So first off, we need to preheat our oven to 425 degrees. Okay. So we're gonna need 1/3 of a cup of butter melted. And I like to melt the butter just in my pan that I'm gonna be cooking in. You could melt it in the microwave if you'd like. All right, we're gonna use this big chunk so you can cut it down. And we're gonna place it in our pan here. And I will just stick the pan into the oven to melt the butter while we're mixing up the batter. Oh, wow. Okay, let's move that. Charlotte, if you want to start cracking eggs.
No, I can't do eggs.
We need 6 eggs.
Greasy hands.
Oh, good job. Cut that one in half and we're gonna throw it in the oven so it can get melting.
Done.
Okay, you're happy with that? Okay. While that helper is washing her hands, we're gonna work on the batter. So it's really quick. It's equal parts flour to milk and then eggs. This has no leavening ingredients. It's just leavened by the eggs and milk. Oh my goodness.
Got it.
Thanks. Missy, you're going to help do the flour. So we need 1.5 cups. Charlotte, we need 1.5 cups of milk, please. In that measuring cup. And one. And we're gonna eyeball a half here.
2.
No, half. 1.5 cups of flour.
So 1.5 cups of milk?
Yes, please. Very good. All right, and then, no, let's, okay, you ready? You're gonna count them out. We need 3 tablespoons.
1 tablespoon, Daddy.
1,
1, 2.
2,
Perfect.
So
3. Yes, please.
All of it?
Yep. Thank you for the assist.
Now for the whisk.
Okay, and then we need our salt, which seems to have disappeared. There it is. Okay.
I got something doing salt.
Nope. Let's let your sister 3/4 of a
Okay,
teaspoon of
that's
salt.
lava.
Claire, you're gonna help give me
This is gonna be the lava.
about 1.5 teaspoons
This is lava.
to 2 teaspoons of vanilla. And you can start mixing.
And then 1.25.
All right. And so it tries to get a little clumpy on you, but just push through. Oh, wow. We got it in. I think most of it landed in the bowl.
No.
Okay, let's give just a smidge more to account for the counter. So we're just looking to break up all those eggs and combine everything and keep it in the bowl.
Whiskey, 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 whiskey.
Okay, Charlotte, if you want to look at our butter, see if it's melted yet.
Whiskey
Okay.
done.
So we're getting close. All right, we need to
Whiskey is done.
stir this just until you get the clumps out. I like to cook this just in a glass 9x13 dish, but you could do it in a cast iron dish. You could do it in any shape you want. This just tends to work well for us. Thank you, Miss.
Hey, I get drink the
And
wet.
then you can have milk in a minute.
Don't poke.
We're gonna wait and cut this so I can have a little talk with the miss. Wow, that's very well stirred. Nice job. All right, so our butter has melted and our oven is just up to temperature. So we're gonna grab it out. Stay back.
Super hot.
Okay, so we have our melted butter. Like I said, you don't have to stick it in the oven to melt it. I just like to do that because it saves me a dish to wash. And so we're just gonna dump our batter into that melted butter.
I thought we put it back in the oven for it to get big and eat it. But first
Yes.
we put our circle and then cut it and eat. And
All those
roll.
things.
But then we eat peas and then sauce.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Char,
But
will
then
you
we
take
all
and put that in
yeah.
our sink, please? Oh,
Put water in it.
no. Okay, so now we have our batter into the dish and we're gonna very carefully take it into the oven. You wanna make sure when you're sticking it in the oven that you don't have a rack above this. You're gonna stick it into the middle of your oven. Do not have a rack above it because this will get super puffy and run into the rack and create problems. So let's go into the oven. Out of the way.
Now I'm gonna
Okay.
stay and watch.
So this is a favorite part of the kids, is to sit and watch it grow because it's so dramatic. It'll take about 20 minutes in the oven to cook. And like I said, it's gonna be super puffy and turn a golden brown. And then we love serving this with what?
Fork.
A fork. That's helpful to eat with. But what do we put on it? Powdered sugar. So we like to sprinkle it with a little powdered sugar, serve it with some fresh fruit, and it is super yummy, right? Yes.
The best.
So it's the very best. And like I said, it reheats really well in the microwave. So any leftovers just get reheated
I
and
can
used
eat
on
all.
a second day, right? But we don't have many leftovers
Yeah, but I can eat
because
all.
everybody loves it. All right, so thanks for coming along with us today as we showed you how to make our family favorite Dutch baby. And we will see you guys next time.